as an educationist, we are teaching our children what's right and what's wrong. How are we assuming that every Valentine's Day, everyone's just having sex?
Exactly.
They just must be holding hands and having a good time.
Absolutely.
Okay.
There's nothing beyond that.
Okay, but I want to ask the young people here a question. Let me ask these young women here. Don't you find that Valentine's Day creates a lot of pressure? You have to get a card, you have to spend a lot of money getting a gift, and in the end, what happens is you're spending so much of money and time and pressure that what you're left with is not love, but simply a lot of pressure, a lot of tension.
Personally speaking, ma'am, I am supposed to be unmarried, and according to me, Valentine's Day is not supposed to be only with a boyfriend. It can be between a mother and a daughter. You are expressing your love to your mother. You are expressing your love to your sister, to your brother, to your father. It can equally be Valentine's Day for them too. Why between boyfriend and girlfriend?
But Sagarika, but our great Western commercial culture has created separate days for father, separate days for mother.
But then why do you
you are walking into the trap. I have no objection. You are actually walking into the trap of a crass commercial culture, which wants you to send a card on a particular day to your mother. Why not?
Why should you send?
You have kheer on your birthday. Why not every day? You see, on
Valentine's Day,
Bhai Dooj, Karwa Chauth, birthday kheer, you have it every day. You don't. You have it on a particular day. Why not say, I love someone on a particular day? No problem.
See, the point is, if I were to bring a red balloon to, I've never done it, and I think it's the cheesiest thing to do.
I think you should give a red balloon to Mr. Ram Madhav.
Yes, I think
Quite frankly,
you
if he doesn't take it the other way.
But you have to tell me what is the card about.
No, it's completely platonic love. So, quite
You
frankly,
never know.
the fact is that
I can certainly make a complaint to the police.
Sir, I have a question for you.
quite frankly,
My law protects me, not Mutalik. Law of the land protects me.
against me and the red balloon.
Absolutely. I have to be protected from your red balloon.
First thing first, law of land does not allow beating women because they've gone to pubs, alright? Beating women is a crime. Second, ma'am, people who use IPL do not have, I don't think so, they have multiple sex partners. They could be having sex with one person and not trying to have a baby.
Isn't it better that they use
perspective.
and don't get
That's a young
pregnant
perspective.
rather than us being scared about the eye pill and the potential effects on the lifestyle?
See, what I want to say about the Mangalore pub, because it keeps coming up, is that none of the women we saw attacked, and we all saw the television, have come forward and filed a police report. If there is no police report, you must take it in the spirit, and Mr. Chidambaram also, that there is no crime for which he needs to threaten the Karnataka government. Secondly, Mr. Mutalik, why do you think it's not covered? I understand this argument actually.
The woman has come forward with a complaint.
That does not mean that there is no crime committed. Mutalik must be punished. He must be sent to jail. All those people must be, was not there when it happened. So his whole all those goons must be punished. Who's he?
Whoever has done it.
What has Mr. Mutalik to do with this discussion?
It's a little irrelevant.
No. Sandhya's point. Sandhya was saying that women have not made a complaint, so therefore no crime has been committed.
The Ram Sena has said it wants to give pink sarees to the women who are sending the pink chaddis. I hope they will have the integrity to send their addresses to him so that they can receive their pink sarees.
Okay, so you think it's better to send pink sarees than it is?
No, I think it's a great Valentine's Day exchange offer. You change your old underwear for new sari. I will clap to that. I don't have a problem with it. That's good.
But
I think something.
Let's take a short break at this point and come back with lots more of this animated debate on Pyar Kiya to Darna Kya.